Hi everyone, I am Opu from Opu Art. I'm back with my new project. So I'm very happy to get back with my new project. So you are seeing here, uh, it's a rover, it's a sci-fi rover from the Substance Painter. It's fully done. So I will make a rover collection asset actually. So this is the first one. This is the first rover design you are watching. So this is the front side and this is the back side actually. So yeah, it's a sci-fi vehicle design actually. So I actually come up with three versions here. So one is sci-fi dark metal. So this one you are seeing, this one is the dark metal, and this is the camouflage. I mean the army vehicle, military vehicle, and this one is the Mars, planet Mars. So this is the three color combination, same product, but the three assets. The idea is you can use it in various projects like if you need it to use in a combat situation, so you can have an option. If you need a sci-fi situation, so you can have a dark metal option, and also the March option. So this is the back side. So this is a twin engine, very fast moving vehicle, and it can be operated in any kind of terrain, like wheels are flexible actually, so designed like that way. So the name is Land Crusher. You can see here the Land Crusher, right? So yes, obviously it's a Land Crusher. So it comes with 11 components, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 11 components is there in a Substance Painter. So it comes with a combination with 11 materials. So like engine and rover antenna and rover body, all parts are separated. So you can assemble it according to your needs. Yeah. So this is from the Substance Painter. I will continue it in Fast of Unity and then Unreal. So hope you are enjoying it already, and I will continue it in Unity. So keep watching. Okay. Thank you. So hi guys. This is the second part of the Rover One project. You are seeing it from the Unity. So it's from the Unity HDRP platform, HDRP template. So you are seeing the same rover is game ready with the Unity, and here you can find, as always, I try to organize my projects in a folder. So this is the actual mesh, and you can find here also the textures. So all the textures supported for the Unity HDRP, and here is the materials. So like I said, 11 components, 11 materials. Okay, and then obviously with the with the prefab. So obviously, so there are separate Unity users will get all three vehicles in with their prefab. So if I drag and drop, so it will come up like this: 1, 2, and also 3. Yeah. So this one is the Mars rover. This one is the dark metal, and also the other one is the military, or the army vehicle, the camouflage one. It's ideal for any kind of forest terrain or something like that. This is ideal for forest terrain. This is for any scientific, any kind of terrain. And this is for maybe a desert or something like that. So I colored it like that, so a little bit of desert flavor there. So okay, so if I go to the maximize view, you can have a full view of the vehicle. So it's all are there. So I use a kind of HDR for a stadium HDR or something like that for a HDR look. And yes, so this is fully ready for the Unity package, and it's also prefab ready, and everything's required for the asset to input in a big project. It's ready. So this vehicle, I will make a collection. So this is the first one you are seeing. This is the first vehicle of that collection. Hopefully the collection will be a big one. So if anyone wants to purchase, they can purchase single package or single assets, or they can purchase after the collection is created. They can purchase the whole collection for their projects. It will be a sci-fi vehicle collection. So actually, these are not combat vehicles. I haven't designed that like it's a combat vehicle, but like I said, with the camouflage vehicle, you will have a combat situation, a combat flavor actually. So these are kind of sci-fi vehicles. So vehicles used for the science fiction research or something like that. So imagine that you are researching far away from space, and it's an unknown planet, and this rover is your vehicle. So something like that. So hopefully this is from Unity. I will continue it with Unreal. So hopefully you are enjoying. So keep watching. Thank you. So hello guys. This is the last part of the rover project, Rover One. So you are seeing it from the Unreal 5.3, the latest one. So the same rover is in the Unreal. So you can see it from backside. The emissive is really hot, like an engine is starting and roaring, something like that. And for the scaling, I just put figures of the mannequin there. So it's like they're the driver and waiting for you. And okay, so this project is also come up with FPX and the textures is all here, and the materials like 11 components, like I said before, 11 materials, and also it comes up with the components. So 11 components. So okay, so if I go for the maximize view here, you can see the full view, and yeah, it's kind of feeling that yeah, the rover is on the move position. So okay, maybe I can put a play. Yeah, so if I go for the full view, you can have a look. You see, so this is the scale actually. Okay, so this project is actually these vehicles can be used, like I said before, in a sci-fi environment or any kind of modern environment, but hopefully the best fit will be a sci-fi projects in a far away planet. This vehicles is suitable for research purpose. It's a research vehicle. They can be turned into a combat vehicle with specific parts attached, like a weapon system, but they are not actually initially designed for the combat purpose. But although you have a combat vehicle there in the middle, so yeah, so it will be suitable for any kind of sci-fi scene creation. So I will create a collection of them, and it will be a good collection to have for any kind of sci-fi scene. So the sci-fi vehicles will be provided. So the wheels are designed like it can crash, or it can be operational in any kind of terrain, like a marsh terrain or any kind of unwanted or hostile terrain. No matter, the wheels can be operational. So hope you like this and enjoy this. So support me, support my channel. I will come back again with the second version of it. As I said that I am planning to create a collection, the vehicle collection, sci-fi vehicle collection. So keep supporting and keep watching. And if you need this asset, like always, you can text me, and you can contact with me that you want this asset, so that you can purchase it from my asset stores. Also, you can find the stores link in the description of my channel. And please subscribe my channel, and keep supporting me, keep sharing this project with your friends, and have a nice day, and keep watching. Thank you.